Hey everybody, welcome back to another Music Theory Thursday. Today's very short video is going to be on notation. What is notation? Simply put, notation is just the symbols that we use on the lines and spaces. That's it. Today we're just going to use the whole note, which is an oval. Whole note looks like this. That's the whole note. We're going to take that symbol and we're going to apply it over here. Okay, so a space whole note, a space whole note. We'll put one right here. Notice it takes up touching two lines on the space, and then a line whole note looks like this. They're both whole notes. Now, what you need to keep in mind is, if you've watched my last video on this on theory, lines and space names, they don't change. For the treble clef, okay, we're looking for spaces. The spaces spell the word face. So then, what you're going to do is you're going to look for that whole note. What letter is it next to? F-A-C. This is C. Now down in the bass clef, again, if you watch my video on lines and space names, the lines and spaces shift a little bit. They're still in alphabetical order from bottom to top, but they're slightly different. Down here, let's talk about the lines. We can use just kind of a southwestern clever sentence that I didn't know until I moved here to the Southwest. But lines. Great burritos don't fall apart. G-B-D-F-A. Well, great burritos. G-B. That line is here. That note must be a B then. And there you have it. Notation. It's just that simple. All right. Now, I'm going to put a couple of notes up here, and I want you in the comments section to tell me what they are. Number one, what note is this? So I'm going to mark this number one. What note is this? It's a little tricky because I didn't tell you what the lines were up here. And down here in bass clef, number two, what note is this one? And again, I didn't give you the spaces of the bass clef. Let's see how many of you can figure that out. All right, folks, if you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button, subscribe, share it with some people if they need some help with some theory. We got many more small snippets of topics coming soon. And other than that, take care.